This is the beginning of our math practice pages. For this, you will need to make sure you have a pencil. We are going to compare this group of yellow chicks with this group of black chicks. And they are all lined up. So we are drawing a line from the yellow chick to the black chick to match them up. So we'll draw a line from this yellow one to that black one. A line from this yellow one to this black one. Match this chick up with his buddy. Match this yellow chick up with his buddy. These two will get matched up, and these two will get matched up. Now look, we have a chick here left over that does not have a buddy up at the top. So which group has the greater number? Means the bigger number. Remember, greater means more. There is a greater number of black chicks because there's one left over. So we are going to circle the black chicks because they have the greater number. Pause the video while you make sure you have this done on your page, and then we're going to go on. Chicks often live in coops, and the coops protect the chicks from different types of weather and keeps them safe. So we are going to compare these groups. For number 2, we are going to match the chicks at the top up with the chicks at the bottom. And here we have yellow chicks and we have orange chicks. So let's match them up. We're going to draw a line from this yellow chick to that orange one. We're going to draw a line from this yellow chick to that one. And we're going to match this yellow chick up with this one in the bottom. Now look, we have all of these chicks that are male. They do not have a buddy. So is the number of yellow chicks or the number of orange chicks greater? Which one is greater? The orange chicks are greater because they have the bigger number. Remember, greater means the biggest number. So we are circling the orange chicks. Go ahead and make sure you pause the video and do that, and then you can come back because I'm going to go on. Let's look at number 3. For number 3, we need to match the black chicks up with the yellow chicks. Ready? We're going to match this black chick up with this yellow chick. We're going to match this black chick up with this yellow chick. We're going to match this one up with that chick. And we're going to match this black chick up with his yellow friend. Now, which group has less? Which group is less in number? Remember, less in number means smallest, the littlest. The black chicks are less in number because we used all of those up and we had yellow chicks left over. Make sure you have that one finished because I'm going to go on to the next one. Let's look at number 4. We have, looks like orange chicks and yellow chicks. Let's match them up. Ready? We're going to match this one up with one in the bottom row. We're going to match her up with one in the bottom row. And we're going to keep matching these up with their buddies. Now, look at the two groups. Which group is less in number? Which do you think is less in number? The ones on the bottom are less in number because they are smallest. We have some left over on top. Less in number means the smallest, so the bottom ones are the smallest. Go ahead and pause the video and make sure you have all of this written just like this, because I'm going to erase it. Okay, look at these. We are going to do the same thing, except we are using buckets now. This is our independent practice page. What that means is I'm going to tell you what to do, and then you're going to try to do it by yourself. So for number 5, you're going to draw a line and match the buckets up. Match the orange buckets up with the blue buckets. And then you are going to circle the group of buckets that have the greater number. I'll tell you that one more time. Draw a line matching the orange buckets up with the blue buckets, and then circle the group that has the greater number. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. For number 6, you're going to draw a line matching the blue buckets up with the pink polka dot buckets. And then you are going to circle the group that has the less number, or less in number. You're going to draw a line matching the blue buckets up with the pink buckets, and then you are going to circle the group that is less in number. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. For number 7, you see green buckets and you see pink buckets. You are going to draw a line from the green buckets to the pink buckets and match each of them up with one another. And then you are going to circle the group that is less in number. Match the green buckets up with the pink buckets and circle the group that is less in number. Pause the video while you do it. Down here for number 8, it only gives you one group of buckets. That's because you're not drawing a line and matching anything up, but right down here in this little space, you are going to draw a group of buckets that is greater in number than what they gave you. You're going to draw a group of buckets that is greater in number than what they gave you. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that. Let's look at number 5 and check it. I'm going to go pretty fast because you should already have all of this finished. It told us to match the orange buckets up with the blue buckets. So I'm going to draw a line matching them up. And now all of the blue buckets have a partner. And I was supposed to circle the group that has the greater number. I see those orange buckets left over. There's more orange buckets than there are blue ones. So I know the orange ones have the greater number. So I am circling those. For number 6, I'm matching my blue buckets up with my pink buckets. And for this one, I was supposed to circle the group that is less in number. I see that I have more pink buckets because I have one left over. That means my blue buckets are less in number because it is the smallest number. For number 7, I'm matching my green buckets up with my pink buckets. And I was supposed to circle the group with the less in number. I see my green buckets still have some left over. My pink buckets are all matched up. So my pink buckets are less in number because they are the smallest ones. Now for number 8, I'm going to show you a couple of things. There are 5 orange buckets. So I need to draw something that's more than 5, and I'm making it a little wider to draw my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, it's not greater. It's 5 orange buckets and 5 black counters. I need to draw at least one more. So in order to draw a greater number, you have to make sure there's more of what you drew than the 5 orange buckets. You could draw 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. Anything more than 5. Thank you for doing math with me today, class. Have a great day.